Yeah, Western Tire, medevac Airlink 4. Need to come in, have an emergency, have a FedEx fail and an engine fail indication.
You said Airlink 4?
It's medevac Airlink 4. Yeah, we were just west of the field that we're descending down through 2,500 at this time.
Medevac Airlink 4, roger. Wind 110 at 4, what's going where you are? Medevac Airlink 4, wind 110 at 4, altimeter 3016, what's going where you on?
I can come in on runway 4. I'm headed straight for it.
Medevac Airlink 4, straight into runway 4. Runway 4 cleared to land, and you said you were declaring an emergency.
Let's make it a precautionary landing at this time. It's FedEx D-grade and engine manual. Looks like it might be an electrical problem because I do have both engines running at this time. It's just everything's going haywire.
Medevac Airlink 4, roger. And safety number, personnel on board, fuel on board.
Yeah, I have an hour and 20 minutes of fuel on board and 3 souls.
Airlink 4, roger.
And Western Tire Airlink 4, we've got the runway in sight. About 2 miles out.
Airlink 4, right. So runway 4, clear to land. They got a helicopter on the 2 mile power for runway 4. He has a possible electrical malfunction. Affirmative, CFR1, right? Proceed on taxiway Alpha, hold short runway 4.
Okay, I'm going to have to circle around the active runway over here, sir. My FedEx is not allowing me to get the RPMs down.
Medevac Airlink 4, roger, you can maneuver as necessary. CFR1, follow air. Medevac Airlink 4, you got the CFR here. Vehicle coming up from your left rear. Medevac Airlink 4, roger.
CFR1, Station 18, Station 17, Engine 3, Engine 9, Battalion 3, Rescue 1, 109, 309, Emergency Management. Alert 2, 3000 Aviation Drive, cross streets of Fairchild Road. Unit switcher traffic to AP1, AP1, 1035, CFR, copy en route. Engine 3, Engine 9, 109, 309, Rescue 1, Battalion 3, copy all en route.
Show me on scene, aircraft 4 mile final, helicopter, possible electrical fire on board.
Copy CFR1 on scene, possible electrical fire on board.
418 to route.
Engine 117 to route.
CFR1, all units responding, aircraft is down in the grass. It did not crash. It had a hard landing with deformation of the left side landing strut. Aircraft is still under power. I will approach and advise. I need Engine 3, Engine 9, proceed onto the airport to my location once on scene.
Copy, aircraft down in the grass with a hard landing, deformation to the left side, to the landing strut, still has power. Engine 3, Engine 9, approach with CFR. All units with the exception of Engine 3, Engine 9, you can cancel. Start as CFR1.
Someone wants to come out there and look at the aircraft. I think so clears to come on the runway.
Is who?
Rescue 1.
Rescue 1, you can just stand by there.
Hazmat 1 responds routine, 3000 Aviation Drive, cross streets of Fairchild Road. Switch traffic to AP1, 1111.